Asia's most preferred market. No, it's not Japan, it's India. Yes, you heard that right. India has displaced Japan to become the most preferred market in Asia, according to Bank of America's latest Asia Fund Manager survey. Japan, which held the top spot until now, has slipped to second place. Apparently, Indian stock markets have now emerged as the most preferred investment destination in the Asia Pacific survey, according to a recent fund manager survey conducted by Bank of America Securities. So, how did India emerge as the most preferred investment destination in the Asia Pacific region? What factors ignited India's stock market rally, which is the least preferred investment destination? Let's decode in this episode of India on the Rise. According to the survey, a net 42% of fund managers chose India over Japan, which was 39%, China 6%, and Singapore 3%. A total of 109 panelists with $234 billion of assets responded to the survey's regional questions. So what is powering India's market? According to Bank of America, infrastructure and consumption continue to be the primary themes that investors are keenly monitoring. The survey underlines these two big macro themes, fueling India's growing preference as an investment market. It is important to note that this survey complements what brokerage firm CLSA said recently. CLSA noted that India had become a relative outperformer and a hiding place for investors in the wake of heightened global trade tensions and India-Pakistan border conflicts. The rise in these fears made India a hiding place and second best performing market since March. However, the brokerage has warned that India's safe haven status is at risk amid easing tensions between US-China and improving geopolitics. Talking about China, the country managed to rise to third position from last month's lowest rank. So which is the least preferred investment destination in Asia? Well, according to the survey, Thailand is currently the least favored investment destination in the Asia region. Overall, outlook on Asian markets is warming up too, with 77% anticipating weakness compared to 89% previously. In the survey, 59% of respondents still expect a weaker global economy. That figure marks a major improvement from last month's bleakest ever 82%. So what is your opinion on Indian stock market? Do share your thoughts with us in the comment section below.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.